In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to brighten the area around the snowboarder using a levels adjustment layer. Hello and welcome to the fourth lesson in this video series by Inspiration Clan. We've already placed a snowboard image into our work file and we've brightened the snowboarder. We've also enhanced the snow wave here, so let's just turn these layers off. So this is the snowboarder brighter and this is enhancing the snow wave. And next what we're just going to do is brighten this area around our snowboarder. As we've brightened the wave, we need to brighten the areas just around here just to blend a little bit better. So the first thing we're going to do is just add another levels adjustment layer. So let's just add that in there and let's set the grays to 2. So you can see that's super bright, way too bright for the whole image. So the next thing we want to do is actually fill the layer mask with black to hide this adjustment. So with black as a foreground color, we can come to edit and fill and select OK. Now that hides the adjustment. Now what we're going to do, we're going to swap back to white. I'm going to select our brush. We're going to select our brush maybe around size 50. We're going to have flow and opacity at 100% and we're just going to draw onto our layer mask, which is going to reveal this adjustment and brighten any area. So we want to brighten this area in front of the snowboarder here and maybe the little area just behind him here. So if we just click and start dragging in, you can increase and decrease your brush size using the open and close brackets on your keyboard. So let's just draw that in there. There you can see it's much brighter. That's the effect that we were looking for, just to give it a little bit brightness because we brightened up the snow wave. So let's just go in there, make sure we've got all areas covered. So that's in front of the biker. Let's have a look at our layer mask by pressing Alt and clicking on the layer mask. You can see that. Let's zoom back out. And now what we want to do is actually come behind the snowboarder and we just want to paint in an area just behind him here. Let's put the smoothing up to 100%. Let's get that smoother. Just paint in there. Any area you're not sure, you can swap to black and we can just remove it out. Let's create that little blend there. Okay, so there we go. Maybe add a little bit more back in, just down the bottom there. We don't want to paint on the snowboarder. Avoid painting on the snowboarder. Okay, so there we go. That's looking okay there. So let's leave that there. And what we're just going to do is just flick this layer off. So this is before and this is after. Now you can see these areas are much brighter, which better blends this wave as it comes down. It brightens this area and behind there. So let's turn this on. And again, this is before and this is after. So there you go. That is how you add a levels adjustment layer to brighten part of your image using a layer mask. Thank you very much for joining me in this lesson. I will see you in the next one.